Today, let's talk about 5 self-care routines in 10 minutes or less. Welcome to the Uma Show. For busy women, self-care can feel like an unaffordable luxury. Self-care is often advertised as long weekends spent at the beach, a trip to the spa, or even hours spent on exercise. In reality, though, self-care can be anything small or big you do to give your body attention. Which is why the following self-care tips won't take more than 10 minutes of your time while still having big impact on your body and mind. First up, touch your toes and stretch. It's easy to ignore the stress in our spines. But the truth of the matter is that when we spend long hours hunched over the computer, curled up on the couch, or picking up after the kids, our posture and body take the back seat. It won't take more than 10 minutes to step out of your chair and touch your toes. But the stretching will do your aching joints and body some long-lasting good. While you are at it, stretch the rest of your body as well. Perhaps you can look up a yoga posture, or you have a stretching routine in mind already. Whether it's advanced or basic, any kind of stretching will keep your body functioning well despite periods of inactivity. Touch your toes, extend your arms, and gear yourself up physically and mentally for whatever task is at hand. Number 2, massage and moisture. Though we tend to link massages and fancy lotions to a day at the spa, not many of us have the time or budget to indulge in frequent spa trips. But that's okay, because no masseurs will know your body and your preferences as well as you do. Use a natural lotion such as organic coconut oil or avocado oil, sea buckthorn oil. Don't be afraid to indulge in your favorite, and rub it mindfully into your arms and shoulders, or even across your legs. Spread the cream or oil gently and thoroughly, and use your hands to massage over your body across areas that you might not realize are aching. You might come across some sudden sore spots. It's important to focus on those for a moment. Rubbing in the lotion, you'll be relaxed and energized, and your skin will benefit greatly from the extra moisturizing. Number 3, phone a friend. At a time where connectivity options are abundant, it's funny how disconnected we actually are. The troubles of everyday life can be exhausting and drain us of all the time and will to socialize beyond what is absolute necessary. But to truly care for ourselves, we need to nurture social and emotional aspects as well. While it's easy to pick up your phone and send a text, take 10 minutes out of your day to chat with a friend or family member. You benefit just as much as they do. Simply talk about your day and maintain the feeling of being connected. Your support system can help relieve stress and help you to maintain a healthy mindset through your shared bond. Number 4, drink 2 additional glasses of water today. Water is that little magic potion we all too often ignore. It relieves fatigue, clears skin, detoxes your body, improves digestion and your mood, and prevents cramps. And yet, we often forget to hydrate or hydrate so little. We get headaches as a result. Not only will drinking 2 extra glasses of water help you hydrate, it'll also give you much needed time to get away from your technological devices and focus on your surroundings. Drink the water slowly and savor the break from your work before you dive back into it. Take it in slow sips if you need to, and be sure to follow this tip regularly to meet your daily requirement of H2O. Try to follow the sensation of the water as it trickles down your throat, as this will help you take your mind off of the stress and daily chaos of your life for a few seconds. not a big water fan. Add in a little squeeze of fresh lemon or lime, or add a touch of flavor. Better yet, grab a jug of water and put some sliced fruits such as strawberries and mint or something that you absolutely love, and get your water in. Play with your pet or go for a walk. Whether it's a furry friend or a tank full of fish, scientists have proven the health benefits of animal at every turn. A pet of your own means a faithful companion. And in addition to that, spending time with a pet is a proven way to lower blood pressure and increase oxytocin levels. The enjoyment from pets can be calming, and repetitive motion of petting your companion or even staring at a fish tank will help soothe you. Don't have a pet? Go for a walk to your local park or dog walking track. Just taking in the sights of other dogs and animals has the same impact on your well-being. Self-care isn't just about facials, eating your greens and getting your hair done. It's all about the soul food that fuels you and the small things that make big impacts on your overall well-being. By practicing these 5 steps, you get to spend 10 minutes away from whatever it is you do each day, and you get to separate yourself from the chaos and stress of your daily life. Do you take 10 minutes out of your day for you each day? Share with me in the comments below. And if you want to take care of yourself better, then go on my website and subscribe to my newsletter, where I send in so many different tips and tricks to take care of yourself better. Also download free recipes from my website for glowing skin. Or even better, join my 7-day facelift to lift your face and spirit. Sending you lots of love and health.